Welcome you to the House of Ibon. What are your dreams? Come true. Welcome back, you guys, for the last and final episode of House of Horrors. I wanted to do five. I mean, I mean,
That is not correct.
I wanted to do 10 episodes, but it was a lot that I had to do in between filming these episodes. So I'm happy that I was able to do 6. Next year, fingers crossed, I will be able to do 10 full episodes giving you all different and more colorful, scary looks. Today we have a look inspired by Poison Ivy. If many of you don't know who Poison Ivy is, she was a villain off of Batman, the original series, the original movie, all that. I have a picture right here. Okay, that's who yeah.
Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
That's who Poison Ivy is, and I wanted to give a nice, glamorous, heartfelt look. We have lashes, we have like little veins for the flowers and the vines. We have the green, we have the eyebrows. You see those eyebrows? I know you see it. I'm glad I was able to give myself a contoured nose, period. If you're new, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for finding me. I hope you like this video. I hope you comment. I hope you subscribe, okay? And come back and join the House of Yvonne, because we have more content coming your way. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back, and you know what it is. So let's get into the video. You guys know the drill. We're going to be wiping our face with our makeup wipe. As you already know, you can use any makeup wipe that you have on hand that you like to use. And then we're going to go in with our Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer and put it all over our face. I use 2, what do you call squeezes? That's not a word. Like 2 little globs of primer. And then I set it with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Deep. And then I did 1 round of the ELMERS glue. I should have did 2 rounds, but I just went once. I don't know why. I just did. And then I put AIRSPUN translucent powder on it. If you guys want your eyebrows to be flatter, I would suggest go in with more than 1 round of glue, because your eyebrows won't completely be flat. So I tried something different this time. I went in with a stick concealer that I've had from Black Radiance, and I put that on first, and then I put my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in Cafe on top of that, and I blended it out. I wanted to highlight twice to highlight the bright points on my face. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline SuperStay foundation in Mocha. It's a bit orange on me. I think this is more of my, what would you say, winter shade. Since it's not all the way winter yet, I still like to use it because I can maneuver and work with it. And so I just put some on my eyebrows, and I chose to use the sponge instead, so the eyebrows wouldn't move and not be flat anymore. After foundation, I chose to use my Maybelline SuperStay concealer in I believe the shade is Caramel, I think. If not, I'll put in this description box below the correct shade that I used. And then I use my Wet n Wild pencil, eyeliner pencil, to draw out where I want to place my eyebrows. And then I went in with my Ruby May Cosmetics, the green color for the eyebrows. And underneath the eyebrow, once I got what I wanted, I eyelined the bottom of it with my the black color in that Ruby May Cosmetics Pro Paint palette. And then I went in with some more of the green and then just blended it out to give it not so much of a harsh line. And so for the reddish maroon color, I used Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in 8305 Warm Berry. And so I used that for the inner corners, well, for the whole eyelid. And then I went in with the white color that I have for the inner corner. And then, I'm sorry it didn't show, because I don't know what happened. My camera continues to malfunction and not show everything that I do. But I use a white color and then a green color from my NYX Ultimate Edit palette for the underneath my eye, and just try to blend everything out so there wouldn't be any harsh lines anywhere. When I tell y'all these lashes were the hardest to put on, I would never get these again. I got them from the hair store because they were like $1.99 and they looked nice. They said they were cashmere, so I was like, okay, they'll be good. No, they look good, but putting them on is the worst. But after I put them on, after I struggled to put them on, I went in with another round of eyeliner from my mascara that I got from Wet n Wild. I love the Wet n Wild mascara that I used. I'll put the name in the description box below. But what I like about it is that the wand is skinny and long, which lets me not get mascara everywhere on my face. And then I just went in with the green and red paint from the Ruby May palette to add little vines on my cheeks to just give it a more conclusive look that would be more in depth with the character that I am portraying. Okay, and that is our look, our Poison Ivy inspired look. Okay, girl, I'm Poison Ivy's big brother. Call me Poison Oak. All right. I love this look. I'm really happy that I chose to be inspired by Poison Ivy. She's a great character. I like her backstory, and I'm really excited that this is the last look for this series for this year. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. Make sure you catch up with all the other videos that are posted on my channel. And until next time, next year, bye.